Yeah, I think we're gonna have some trouble getting out of here. This is the road that we need to travel to get to the airport. This is not in good shape. Currently, we rebooked on the first available flight out, which is Sunday afternoon, which gives us a few days for them to clear this, but I don't know. Looking at the damage here, they're going to be able to even get up here. If it's like this up here, I can only imagine what it's like at the lower elevations. And there's beautiful Magens Bay, one of the top 10 beaches in the world. Not a soul on it right now. I know you see all these power lines, but we've been assured that the power is off, so these are not live wires, which is why we feel pretty safe walking down this way. And we're just going to go a little bit further here and try to get a few more pictures and video to share with everyone who's been asking for updates. And we can see here, we just have, total destruction. Roof ripped right off. See the front of this fella here, some additional destruction.